Welcome friends to Homes of Puerto Rico's new project, Villa Sana. This is a special plot of land because it's being sold with the vision to create a health and wellness center that really invokes serenity, being surrounded by nature. We're located in the northern side of Puerto Rico in the Carsic region, surrounded by beautiful greenery, fertile soil. This terrain offers approximately over 30 acres of land. The zonification allows from agriculture all the way to ecotourism. We're surrounded by beautiful Mogote Mountains that are a key part of the natural Carsic region in the northern side of Puerto Rico. This is a beautiful opportunity for anybody who has the vision to create what Villa Sana really has to offer. If you want to take a look at this terrain, the only way to do it is by air. So let's cue the montage and show you what this beautiful place has to offer in 3, 2, 1, let's go.